go for just about anything. So that's the only thing I'm going to add. And this is it, our tin mackerel. Affordable breakfast, our good to go breakfast, our quick to go breakfast in the morning. This is it, guys. So we're going to have that with some food. Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? I have 2 tin mackerel over here, and today I'm going to share with you how to cook up your tin mackerel to make a great breakfast. Alrighty, use any brand of your choice. Today I am using Grace tin mackerel, but you can go ahead and use any brand of your choice. So stay tuned for the finishing of this. And I am also going to put some okra in it. Alright guys, so getting ready to cook up my mackerel. So I'm drizzling some oil in my pot to saute up my seasoning. Alrighty. So I'm sauteing up my seasoning, guys. So that's some okra, tomato, and some onion. Alrighty, and we have our bell pepper here. So we're just going to stir fry up that, making way for our tin mackerel. So guys, this is one of Jamaican's most loved breakfast, and it is affordable, and it is a to-go breakfast, so it's quick and easy. Yeah. If you are a Jamaican, you must eat some tin mackerel somewhere, some other. Righty? So we just stir frying up this. So what happened now, guys, I normally throw out my tin mackerel in a container before I add it to the pot. And sometimes you know, I just pop open it and just throw it out in the pot. But I like to open it and put it in a container first, you know, so I see whatever it is. I know it is tin mackerel, but that nice rich tomato sauce. Alrighty, so we're going over to the pot with this right now. So my season has been stir fried up and everything, so I'm gonna go ahead now, guys, and add my mackerel to the pot. Alrighty. And you know, we're gonna put little water in this and wash it out. You know, we're not waste nothing. I'm going to put little water also in the mackerel tin too, and wash it out and add it to my pot. So then normally I would just break it in 2. I don't just leave it polar like that. So we're going over to the pot now. Come along. So we just add that water that we have put in the mackerel tin and rinse it out. We just add it to our pot. I'm gonna go ahead now and drizzle a little seasoning all over this. You know, to let it taste good, you have to add some seasoning to it. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add some black pepper. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little salt. Alrighty. Then I'm gonna add a little Maggi seasoning to it. So I'm going to add a little of this Maggi all-purpose. Yep, it says all-purpose, so you know that means it's good to go for just about anything. So that's the only thing I'm going to add to it. I'm drizzling a little all-purpose. Then I'm going to just stir to combine everything. And this is it, our tin mackerel. Affordable breakfast, or a good to go breakfast, or a quick to go breakfast in the morning. This is it, guys. So we're going to have that with some food. Alright guys, so you know our tin mackerel finished cook up, so I'm going to plate it now for you all to see. So we're having it with some food. But you know you can have this with some rice as well. Or fried dumpling. Fried Johnny cake. But we mash up it with some ground provision in the morning. Yeah, I don't have any green banana, but you can also have it with green banana as well. Alrighty. Alright guys, so we're adding our... They also call this dirty girl. I forgot to mention that. Guys, I put a scotch bonnet pepper in the pot. I cut up a scotch bonnet pepper. I didn't do that on camera, but yeah, there's my scotch bonnet pepper with the seed and all that. You know I like spicy food, but you don't have to use a scotch bonnet pepper if you're not a spicy food lover, because you know it's gonna be really hot. Alright, so this is our tin mackerel. Yeah, so you know we're going to dive into some of that as usual. Yeah, so we're having some cinnamon leaf tea. Yeah, you know cinnamon leaf is good for a lot of things, so that's some cocoa I'm putting in there. Then I'm going to use a little Lasco. There you have it, guys, our quick and easy breakfast tin mackerel. So that's the star of the show for today, tin mackerel. Yeah man, so you know we're going to dive into some of this and drink this tea here.